to answer all the questions. So today's word is paradox. Paradox. Paradox, you know, paradox means puzzle. Okay, and its antonym, we can have some regularity or some normality. The paradox of being calm and silent in the concert make me smile at her. Yes, Gitanjali, Litu, Ashok, good afternoon to all of you, and I hope today you all are prepared to answer the questions. So without any delay, just let us start our question answer session. So your first question is as such: where do we play according to C.F. Alexander? Where do we play according to C.F. Alexander? In the meadows, in the garden, in the forest, in the houses. Where do we play? Yes, very good, very good. So in the meadows, we play in the meadows. Okay, so quickly we are going to complete today's 50 questions. Next is, who according to the poet is almighty? Who according to the poet? Yes, Gitanjali, Sonali, Niharika, Ashok, very good. And don't sit idle, just quickly answer the questions, because here you are going to test yourself. Okay, so who according to the poet is almighty? Man, God, devil, mountain. Man, God, devil, mountain. Yes, Madhusmita, very good. So it is God is described as the almighty. Next question is, yes, God. Yes, Deepa, very good. So quickly write down, whoever just listens the question and you knows the answer. If you do not know, then just see what others are writing, then start write. The poem The Solitary Reaper is composed by C.F. Alexander, William Wordsworth, Sarojini Naidu, Rabindranath Tagore. The poem Solitary Reaper is composed by C.F. Alexander, William Wordsworth, Sarojini Naidu, or Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, very good. So clap for yourself for answering these questions quickly. Yes, Litu, correct your answer. So it is William Wordsworth. Now, what is the girl doing by herself? What is the girl doing by herself? Singing, playing, ripping and singing, binding the grain. What is the girl doing? Singing, playing, ripping and singing, and binding the grain. Yes, option C is the correct answer, that ripping and singing. Ripping and singing by herself. So ripping means cutting and singing, you understand, ripping and singing. So next question is, the flowers that glisten in the poem Village Song. The flower that glisten in the poem Village Song are rose and lotus, lily and rose, lotus and lilies, rose and jasmine. Yes, rose and lotus, lily and rose, lotus and lilies, rose and jasmine. So which flowers are glisten? Glisten means shine in the poem Village Song. Yes, very good. So it is lotus and lilies. The lotus and lilies, these two flowers glisten in the poem Village Song. Next is, who was popularly known as the Nightingale of India? Who is popularly known as the Nightingale of India? Kamala Nehru, Sarojini Naidu, Annie Besant, or Rama Devi? So who is known as the poet of this poem, that is Village Song? Yes, very good, very good. Your spelling is also correct. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is popularly known as the Nightingale of India. Next question, where is Vicky's brain? Inside a jar, inside a bottle, inside a formalin jar, inside a box. Where is Vicky's brain? Inside a jar, inside a bottle, inside a formalin jar, or inside a box? Very good for listening the questions and answering correctly. So it is inside a formalin jar, and its name you know, that is from the formalin jar. Next is, Vicky's brain is sitting in the formalin jar dash. Vicky's brain is sitting in the formalin jar in sorrow, in happiness, in lament, or in disdain? Yes, Gitanjali, Deepa, Niharika, Rajashree, you all are answering quickly and correctly. Yes, KS Education, Ansuman, Dharmaranjan, very good. So Vicky's brain is sitting in the formalin jar in disdain. Yes, its meaning is sorrow, but its word is in disdain. What do the people call to Vicky's brain? What do people call Vicky's brain? A sample, an object, a specimen, an idea box. A sample, an object, a specimen, or an idea box. Yes, very good. Clap for yourself because you are answering correctly and quickly. So you just imagine, if you have not read, then you cannot answer these questions. You have read the chapters. I am saying the formula to answer these questions. Read the textbook. Read the textbook and read the textbook. Then only you can answer the questions quickly. Then why did he go out? Why did Vicky go out? To buy vegetable, to meet his friend, to meet his teacher, to attend his friend's birthday. Why did Vicky go out? What was the reason due to which Vicky go out? Number one is to buy vegetable, or to meet his friend, to meet his teacher, or to attend his friend's birthday. Very good. So you all are writing correctly. To meet his friend, to meet his friend. So this is the reason because of which Vicky left home, and that incident or accident happened with him. So Lencho wrote a letter. So your poem is over. Next is your prose. Lencho wrote a letter the following Sunday dash at daybreak, in the morning, in the evening, or at night. So Lencho wrote a letter the following Sunday at daybreak, in the morning, in the evening, or at night. Yes, very good. So it is daybreak. Daybreak means sunrise. When the sun just shines, the first time is known as daybreak. Although the postmaster broke out laughing, he was surprised to see dash. Yes, Sonali, Rajeshwari, Madhusmita, Gitanjali, Littu, very good. So, although the postmaster broke out laughing, he was surprised to see Lencho's letter to God, his foolishness, Lencho's faith in God, or Lencho's blind belief. Yes. So here question is, although the postmaster broke out laughing, he was surprised. He was surprised to see Lencho's letter to God, his foolishness, or Lencho's faith in God. Yes, very good. So it is Lencho's faith in God, that Lencho believed in God. Then next question is the word pesos. Pesos means dash. Silver coins, new silver coin, currency of several Latin American countries, or money of India. So what is the meaning of peso? Peso means silver coins, new silver coins, or currency of several Latin American countries, or money of India. Yes, very good, Ansuman, Dharma, Niharika, KS Education, West. Yes, very good. So Rajeshwari, Sonali, you all have written C, that is currency of several Latin American countries. And next question is, Gandhiji was not regarded as a dash at school. Gandhiji was not regarded as a dash at school. An intelligent student, a fool, a clever student, an obedient student. Yes, very good. So he was not regarded as a fool. Now, who was Gandhiji's headmaster? Who was Gandhiji's headmaster? Krishna Shankar Pandey, Dorabji Idulji Jimmy, or Srimad Rajachandra, or Gopal Krishna Gokhale? Yes. Who was Gandhiji's headmaster in his high school? Yes, it is Dorabji Idulji Jimmy. He was the headmaster. On which day was Gandhi late for gymnastics class? On which day Gandhiji was late for gymnastics class? Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, or Saturday? Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, or Saturday? Yes, very good. Clap for yourself because you are answering the questions quickly. If you will read the textbook, then only you can answer the questions so quickly. Otherwise, it is not possible to answer these questions so quickly. So, next question is, so many of the Northeast festivals are based on dash. Many of the Northeast festivals are based on songs, agriculture, dances, and religion. Yes, Sonali, Dharma, Litu, and Niharika, very good. So many of the Northeast festivals are based on generally on agriculture. Okay. So next question is the important festival of Assam. So which one is the important festival of Assam? Bihu, Zero festival, Lusar festival, or Harvest festival? Which one? Yes, this is the easiest question. So after means with the passage of time, I will give you difficult questions. The beginning time, I'm just asking you the easiest question, but in the from next class, I have decided to ask you more difficult questions, because you are answering these questions very easily. That's why I have to just select some difficult questions for you. So which state is not a contiguous part of the seven sisters? Which state? Manipur, Sikkim, Tripura, Nagaland. Manipur, Sikkim, Tripura, and Nagaland. Manipur. Yes, yes, very good. So it is Sikkim. Sikkim is not the contiguous part. Next is which dance is performed in Moppin festival? Which dance is performed in Moppin festival? It is Bihu, Poppin, Poppier, or Rongali. Bihu, Poppin, Poppier, or next one is Rongali. Yes, very good. So Poppier is the dance that is performed in Moppin festival. Okay, so your prose 10 questions over. Next comes your story. So who was Mahmud? Who can say who was Mahmud? Mahmud was a milkman, author, cook, or writer's grandfather. Who was Mahmud? Yes, very good. So I think today you can answer the questions easily, but from tomorrow onwards I will try to make some difficult questions. I will set some difficult questions. Okay, so best of luck for tomorrow and prepare yourself. So how did Timothy die? Cancer, fever, pneumonia, or diarrhea? Yes, how did Timothy die? How did Timothy die? Yes, very good. So best of luck. I hope you will secure 50 out of 50. How did grandfather walk out of the Jew? How did yes, try to know the spelling. Pneu. Pneumonia, but P is silent, so it is pneumonia. Yes, Dharma, very good. So how did grandfather walk out of the Jew? So it is, I have not given the options, briskly, slowly, hatefully, carelessly. Briskly, slowly, hatefully, or yes, hatefully or carelessly, it is briskly. Okay, next is your, the beggar had an offer of a position in the province of Dash. The beggar had an offer of a position in the province of Komi, Kaluga, or Karelia, or yes, it is written Kamakya. Yes, it is in the state of, in the province of Kaluga. Very good. So in the province of Kaluga, he got an offer. Next is Sargai was dash of himself. Sargai was dash of himself for engaging the beggar in manual labor. Sargai was dash, sorry, angry, glad, or sorry and ashamed. Yes, Sergei was dash of himself. So it was, first option is sorry, angry, glad. Then last one is sorry and ashamed. Yes, very good. So both sorry and ashamed of engaging such a ill and drunkard person in this manual labor. Okay. So your next question is, Sergei considered Loskov dash in a sense the son, a friend, the godson, or the grandson. Sergei considered Loskov as dash, as his son, or a friend, or his godson, or the grandson. Yes, very good. So Sergei considered Loskov as the godson. Okay, godson. And next is your villagers. So who is the author, who is the writer of the story, The Village Judge? R.N. Tagore, Leo Tolstoy, or Munshi Premchand, or Anton Chekhov? Yes, tell me who is the author of the story, The Village Judge? R.N. Tagore or Leo Tolstoy, Munshi Premchand? Yes, very good. So Premchand is the writer of this story, The Village Judge. Next question is Samju Sahu was dash. Samju Sahu was an advocate, a village judge, or a farmer. Yes, very good. So I'm going very speed, I think. Okay, let me make myself slow. Okay, dear students. So Samju Sahu was dash, an advocate, a village judge, a farmer, or a businessman. Samju Sahu is not a village judge, Sasmita. So Samju Sahu was a businessman because he was just selling and buying from the market. Okay, so he was a businessman. Next is son, have fear of God. The paunch is nobody's friend or an enemy. So Juman's aunt said this to whom? To Juman, to Samju Sahu, to Kariman, or to Algu? Son, have fear of God. The paunch is nobody's friend or enemy. Nobody's friend or enemy. So Juman's aunt said this to whom? To Juman, or to Samju Sahu, or to Kariman, or to Algu Chaudhary? Yes, very good. So Juman's aunt said this to Algu Chaudhary. Then last from your story, at the first panchayat, Algu started asking questions. Algu started asking questions to Juman, which were too easy, which went against to Juman, or which were not difficult, which Juman found hard to answer. So which one is the correct answer out of these four? At the first panchayat, Algu started asking questions which were too easy, which went against Juman, which were not difficult, which Juman found hard to answer. Yes, very good. So D is the correct answer. Juman found that very, very hard to answer because he had never expected such questions from his best friend, from his close friend, that is Algu Chaudhary. The postman expressed his contentment. The postman expressed his contentment. So here we have started the vocabulary, means your language work. You have 3 chapters from prose. You will get language work 10 marks from these 3 chapters. One is Letter to God, At the High School, and Festivals of Northeast India. So the postman expressed his contentment. The opposite meaning of contentment: resolution, satisfaction, or dissatisfaction, or prediction. I am asking the opposite word of contentment. Yes, its meaning is satisfaction, but its opposite word, Ansuman. Very good. So it is dissatisfaction. Very good. You all have answered correctly. So a violent tropical storm with very strong wind is called typhoon, tornado, hurricane, gale. Typhoon, tornado, hurricane, gale. So question is a violent tropical storm with very strong wind. A violent tropical storm. Yes, Ansuman, very good. So here answer is typhoon. 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 Next question is an act of writing letters. An act of writing. Sonali, Niharika, Rajeshwari, Madhusmita, Gitanjali. Very good. You are with me and you are answering the questions. I am happy with you and hope we will continue these classes till your exam. And these classes will help you lot. I hope that. So an act of writing letters is better than the act of sending messages through mobile phone. So what is the meaning, or replace or give a single word of an act of writing letters? Prediction, resolution, communication, or correspondence? An act of writing letters is known as prediction, resolution, communication, or yes, last one is the correct, that is correspondence. So if you do not know the answer, when you come to know, write it down. Correspondence. Very good. So Ansuman and Dharma, you have written the spelling correctly. I am happy with that. So you should know the spelling. That matters a lot because spelling is also equally important, and we should try to remember the spelling. Okay, next question is Gandhi was convicted of Gandhi was convicted dash lying, with lying, off lying, on lying, in lying. Gandhi was convicted dash lying, convicted with lying, off lying, on lying, or yes, Tapaswini, Ansuman, very good, Niharika, Madhusmita, so convicted of lying, very good. The Persian teacher was very dash. The Persian teacher was very consideration, considerable, considerate, considering. The Persian teacher was very dash, consideration or considerable or considerate or considering. So very considerate. Next question is, if I had seen you, I dash you to my party. If I had, so here considerate is the correct answer. Next is, if I had seen you, I dash you to my party. I would invite, invited, will invited, or would have invited. That means I have not seen you and I have not invited you. So what will be the correct answer? If I had seen you, I would have invited you. But now I have not seen you and I have not invited you. So if I had seen you, I would have invited you to the party. Okay. So next few questions from your festivals of Northeast India. The movie is based dash a real life incident. Yes, so answer is would have invited. So give a preposition. The movie is based dash a real incident. Yes, options are to, against, for, on. To, against, for, on. So the movie is based on. Okay, very good. So the movie is based on. Then Assam is a state in the northeastern region of India. So here region is written as REASON. REASON. So give the homophone of this word region. So Assam is a state in the northeastern region of, okay, Priya Ranjan Biswal, good evening. So Assam is a state in the northeast region of India. So give the homophone of region. Here it is written REASON, but the real spelling is REGION. So you will get most of your questions from your textbook and from the examples also. So next is, paper is made dash pulp. Paper is made dash pulp. So what will be the correct answer? Paper is made dash pulp of, from, to, in. Yes, so paper and pulp, there is no similarity. So from. But if the question is book is made dash paper, here book and paper, these are quite similar. So of. So when we have similarity, use of. When we have dissimilarity, means no similarity, then we have to use from. Okay, so paper is made from. Paper is made from. Okay, so now let us go to our grammar portion. Yes, so your first question is, this flower smells sweet. This flower smells sweet. Yes, so here our answer is, paper is made from pulp. No, I am not asking, okay, Vishwa Prakash, I am not asking the pattern. I am saying here what is the use of sweet. What is sweet? It is subject, object, verb or complement. Sweet. This flower smells sweet. Yes, Tapas. So question is, what is sweet? Sweet is subject or object or verb or complement. Subject, object, verb or complement. So you just see here, smells. After this type of verbs, we have to use complement. Okay, so it is complement. And your next question is, the police dash chasing the burglar. Is chasing, or was chasing, are chasing, or has chasing. Yes, very good for answering the question correctly. Yes, Dharma, very good. And Archana Vishwaprakash. So police is always used as plural noun. Police, crowd, audience, poultry, these are plural nouns. So we have to use are instead of is or has or any singular noun. Okay. And our next question is Mitali paid the bill dash credit card. On credit card, by credit card, with credit card, in credit card. Mitali paid the bill dash credit card. On credit card, by credit card, with credit card, in credit card. So it is by credit card, but if the answer, if we have the question like dash, but for cash we have, okay, Mitali paid the bill by credit card. So just do all the examples that you have in your grammar book, because you will get most of the questions from your examples only. Okay, so don't forget to join tomorrow. Also we will have such class till your exam. We are continuing this class, and from tomorrow onwards I am trying to just start with some more difficult questions, because I found you can answer these questions easily. Okay, so prepare yourself. So I cannot believe in what he says. I cannot believe in what he says. Here, what he says, what is its function? What is the function of this clause? Subject, object of preposition, or complement? Subject, object of preposition, or complement. I cannot believe in what he says. I cannot believe in what he says. Here subject, object. Yes, Archana, very good. So we have this clause after in. In is a preposition, so its function is object of the preposition. Now the place dash we spend our holidays was really beautiful. The place dash we spend our holidays was really beautiful. Who, which, where, when. Who, which, where, when. The place dash we spent our holidays was really beautiful. Who we spend, which we spend, where we spend, or when. Yes, very good. So clap for yourself. It is where, because it is a place. So where we spend our holidays was really beautiful. Next is people followed him wherever he went. People followed him wherever he went. Here the adverb clause wherever he went. What is the type of adverb clause? It is adverb clause of manner, place, time, or result. Manner, place, time, or result. So people followed him wherever he went. Wherever he went. Yes, very good. So it is wherever, you understand, it always refers to a place. The teacher said water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Now you just tell me the indirect speech of this direct sentence. The teacher said water boils at 100 degree Celsius. Yes, Tapaswini, Satyaranjan and Niharika, very good for answering the questions. So the teacher said that water boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. The teacher said that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, or the teacher said that water boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. The teacher said that water had boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. See, this is scientifically correct sentence, so we don't have to change the tense. Okay, Archana, very good, very good. So clap for yourself, you have written it correctly. Yes, Dharma, the teacher said that water boils at, correct, you both have. So B is the correct answer. The teacher said that water boils at 100 degree Celsius. So C was boiling. So in C option, the verb is written as boiling. So it is not correct. In B, it is boils. Okay, so these are long questions. Means we have long sentences. So listen carefully. Rakesh said to his servant, "Where are you going?" Rakesh said to his servant, "Where are you going?" See, we are just practicing, so don't worry. Just listen carefully and try to answer all the questions. Rakesh said to his servant, "Where are you going?" Rakesh asked his servant, "Where is he going?" Or Rakesh asked his servant where he has been going. Or Rakesh asked his servant where he was going. or Rakesh asked his servant where was he going. So here this is a complex sentence having a WH word. So that means no question mark at the end. So Rakesh no doubt asked. So Rakesh asked his servant where, yes, C is the correct answer. Yes, Dharma, very good. So where he was going. So next question from passive. The results of the HSC examination dash next month. Yes, so the results of HSC examination dash next month will publish, will be published, is published, or have been published. Okay, so the results of HSC examination, very good, Ansuman. So will publish, will be published, or is published. So it is a future. So will be published. The results of the HSC examination will be published. So answer B. Yes, very good. Jasmine, Tapaswini, Archana, Satyaranjan, will be published. Next question is the Gitanjali dash by R.N. Tagore wrote, has been written, is written, or was written. This is a past. It is a past sentence, means the work is done in the past. So the Gitanjali dash by R.N. Tagore wrote, has been written, is written, or was written. So yes, KS Education, yours is correct. Archana, correct yourself. So it is was written, because the active sentence is R.N. Tagore wrote the Gitanjali. R.N. Tagore wrote the Gitanjali. So the Gitanjali was written. Okay, was written by R.N. Tagore. So with this, only one question left. Cheese dash from milk. Cheese make from milk, made from milk, is made from milk, or was made. Cheese dash from milk. I have already asked it. So cheese dash from milk, make from milk, made from milk, is made, or was made. This is the passive sentence. You have to you don't have to use the preposition. This is the passive sentence. Cheese dash from milk. Yes, C. Cheese is made from milk. So with this, we have already completed 50 MCQ questions. So your task is try to count how many questions you have answered correctly, because motto of the objective of this class is to make you secure more marks out of 50, and maybe 50 out of 50. Okay, best of luck. So today's thought is success is a vehicle which moves on a wheel named hard work. Okay, so you will get success only and only and only if you are working hard. So hard work has no substitute. So success is a vehicle which moves on the wheel named hard work. If you will work hard, then no doubt success will be yours. With this hope that you will surely work hard, and from tomorrow, okay Jasmine, from tomorrow we will have some more difficult questions. So prepare yourself and join sharp at 4:30. I will be here. I hope you will be here, and you have to answer the questions just quickly, correctly, and just quickly, correctly, and confidently. Okay, bye. Take care. Okay, Satya, thank you for joining. Tapaswini, Sonali, Archana, and you all new students. So I hope you will enjoy the class and you will test yourself. Here the thing that you are going to get is you will test yourself, and you will know how many questions you can ask, you can answer. Okay, bye. Take care and prepare yourself for tomorrow class. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day ahead.